This is activity 3.7D of SIT111. So over here I've created a circuit design for proximity detection sensor. So what happens here is basically it has the components of a proximity detector, distance, an ultrasonic distance sensor. It is the HC-SR04 model, and then we have piezo buzzer, we have Arduino Uno R3, breadboard, 2 LED lights, 2 resistors, jumper wires. So how it works is that if we have an object over here and it's at a distance from the sensor, at a suitable distance from the sensor where the buzzer does not ring, at this point the green LED glows. Once the object starts moving closer to the sensor, it creates a sound as well as the red LED glows. So this basically tells us, how it works is that the sensor consists of a transmitter and a receiver. So when the transmitter emits out signals, it is reflected by the object, and the receiver receives these signals back. So when it receives these signals back, how we calculate the distance of the object is by measuring the time that it took for the wave to be emitted, reach the object, and then received back by the receiver. So using the time, we calculate the distance. So it uses a formula where the speed of sound into the time that it took for the wave to come back and forth, and then we divide it by 2. Why? Because we divided by 2 because the wave traveled twice the distance, right? So to avoid that calculation mistake, we divide the whole thing by 2. So we only get the distance traveled by the wave one way. Yeah, so that's basically how it works, and we have a code for it. The code basically shows the same thing that I just described. We have a few pins that were declared. We have a distance threshold declared. We have a loop where it also shows us that if the distance is less than the distance threshold, then the green LED pin should stop glowing, the buzzer should start to ring, and then the red LED should light up, right? And then we have, like, if this is not the case, if this is not the condition, then we have a case where the buzzer does not ring. The green LED will again continue to glow, and yeah, so the red LED pin is not glowing. As you can see, it's actually continuously glowing right now. And then over here in the serial monitor, we have our since our simulation is still working, we have the readings going on, and so it reads the distance by performing the calculations that we have made through the code. The system uses 2 kinds of indicators. There's one, the sound indicator, which we use through the piezo buzzer, and then we also have the LED indicators, the visual indicators. So which basically these kind of systems help us when we need a real-time alert. We need to be alert in real time, and this helps in creating home security alarms and stuff like that. So thank you.